Hello and welcome to our presentation of implementing augmentative and alternative communication at Ellison Preschool. My name is Kendra Carlton, and our other presenters today are Jolene Bilbrey, Ashley Oakes, Tori Larish, and Violet Rack. Our preschool is located in an urban area and serves 200 3 to 5-year-olds. 150 of these students are in special education. There are 50 students receiving speech therapy, and about 20 of those students are nonverbal students who point and grunt with no other form of communication. The classrooms consist of 8 to 12 students with 1 teacher and 4 to 6 parent volunteers. The lack of communication in these students often leads to behavioral issues such as fights and tantrums during playtime in every classroom. For the purpose of this intervention, we are assuming the roles of BCBAs at Ellison Preschool. We have decided that functional communication of the augmentative and alternative communication, also known as AAC, would be beneficial in our preschool. AAC is a form of communication other than oral speech to express wants and needs. Though there are many forms of AAC, we have decided that electronic AAC using electronic devices with a communication application on it is the best fit for our school. Now here is Jolene to discuss the research behind the topic.
Research was done of peer-reviewed articles on the social acceptance of AAC devices by children's peers, the ability of children to learn to communicate using an AAC device, and the preference of an AAC device versus PECS system by children. Now Ashley will discuss the implementation materials needed.
To implement aided AAC use in schools, you need a device. Frequently used devices are iPads, iPods, and other tablets. You also need a communication application. Proloquo to Go, MyTalk, Sonaflex, and Tobii Dynavox Compass are also frequently used, and then a data sheet. And on the page, we have a sample data sheet. To implement, the steps for implementation are: first, you need to identify the team members, which can be parents, teachers, therapists, and peer mentors. Determine the device type and app to use. Identify goals to work on. Collect baseline data using a data sheet. Use a most to least prompting hierarchy during teaching. Provide reinforcement, and then collect intervention data. Next, Violet is going to talk about modeling.
Violet, is your sound on?
I'll go over modeling.
Oh, did we lose her?
I don't see her on my screen.
Yeah, she's gone.
Okay, I'll stop broadcasting.